Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to online biology class. The topic that we are going to study today is cilia as well as flagella and the comparison of plant and animal cell. So let's discuss about cilia and flagella. In our previous lesson we have studied that centrioles are present in those organisms that form cilia as well as flagella. And those cells that form cilia and flagella, their centrioles are present near the cell membrane, and those centrioles are known as basal bodies, and these basal bodies which in return produces cilia as well as flagella. So let's discuss about this. Both cilia and flagella are thin tail-like projections that are present on the cell membrane. Cilia are short in length and they have numerous number of cilia present on cell. While flagella, they are longer than cilia, and there are not a lot of flagella present on the cell. There may be 1, 2 or 3 flagella. Cilia and flagella, the eukaryotic cilia and flagella, they consist of 9 pairs of microtubules, and they are which are surrounded by a single central pair of microtubule. Cilia and flagella, as we have studied earlier, that cilia and flagella are connected to basal bodies. They are present near the cell membrane. After that, we have prokaryotic cells. Cilia and flagellas, their structures are different as compared to eukaryotic cilia and flagella, and their flagella are made up of flagellin protein. You have to keep this in your mind. Their flagella is made up of prokaryotic flagella are made up of flagellin protein, and the main basic function of cilia and flagella in these organisms is for the movement. The main purpose of this cilia and flagella is movement. Okay, the next thing is comparison of plant and animal cell. Let's discuss these things one by one. The first component is cytoplasm. We have studied this in detail. What is cytoplasm? It is jelly-like organelle that is present in the cell, and where it is found? It is found between plasma membrane and nuclear envelope. And its function, we also know it is the site for different organelles, site for different metabolic chemical reactions. After that, we have cell membrane, and it is semi-permeable membrane, and it bounds the cytoplasm. It covers the cytoplasm. After that, where it is found? It is found around the cytoplasm. Its function is to control substances that enters or leave the cell. That is the main function of cell membrane. After that, we have this nucleus. Nucleus is a spherical oval organelle, and that contains DNA. DNA is present inside the nucleus. We already know these things. Where it is found? It is found in center. In plant cell, it is pushed towards the one side because of the presence of large vacuole, while in animal cell it is present in the center. Its main function is in cell division, and it also controls all the cell activities that is happening in the cell. Next is, there are some things that are just present in plant. They are not present in animal, and it is written on page number 53. The first thing is cell wall. We already know that animals do not have cell wall. It's just the plants that have cell wall. Let's discuss about its description. It is tough, non-living layer, and it is made up of cellulose. In plants, the cell wall is made up of cellulose, and it is found outside the plant cell. After that, what is the main function? It provides the mechanical support, and it allows the water and salt to pass through it. It is semi-permeable. After that, we have plants have large vacuole. I have told you earlier, plants have large vacuole, and it has fluid, it has some sap. I have also told you in your previous lesson that plants contain large central vacuole, and it contains fluid that is known as cell sap. Where it is found? It is found in the cytoplasm, and because of the large vacuole, its nucleus is pushed at one side. Its function is that it contains salt and water, and it provides turgor pressure to the plant, which helps maintain the plant, to maintain its shape. The third thing is chloroplast. What is chloroplast? We have also studied in detail that it is only present in plant cell. It is not present in animal cell. And this is the organelle that contains chlorophyll, that performs photosynthesis, and inside this chloroplast is present inside the cytoplasm, and main function is it traps light energy for the process of photosynthesis, that is the main process of food production. Okay, that is all about today's lesson. Prepare well, and the thing that we have studied today is cilia, flagella, and the brief comparison between plant and animal cell, and it is from page 50 to 53. Okay.